Today we will talk about silk threads. Hi everyone, if you don't already know me, my name is Vesna. Welcome back to my embroidery and DIY channel. If you would like more content like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! I bought these silk threads from Etsy. It was a very good shop and they were delivered fairly fast for Etsy. A friend of mine asked me how to unravel these silk threads, and that's why I decided to just film it for her, because it was far easier for me to show her than to write to her how to do it. I really like silk threads, but they're fairly expensive, that's why I use them only for my special projects. You can always use silk threads when you're sewing with silk fabric, or you can also use them when you are working with high-end cotton, linen and wool. Silk threads are natural fibers, it stretches a little bit, and it also has this nice shiny look. What is interesting is that for silk this is a natural sheen to it, unlike the cotton thread, which has a chemically induced sheen to it through a process called mercerization. I hope you will find this tutorial useful, and if you have any more questions, please leave them down in the comments. Thank you! I have a lot of problems with this small knot, so I have decided to use some special tool. This is actually called a burr tool, and this really helped me to gently untighten this knot. Please be very patient and take your time when you are doing this. You have to do this when you are not in a rush, and then you will like your end result. And here we go. Finally this knot has unraveled, and now I can use my silk threads for my next project. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!